Okay, today I made the fishing rod reel in better. Like now it physically reels in. Uh, yeah, kind of like that. How I made that work is when you hit the reel in button, it will now apply a force in the opposite direction to the string so that it actually moves towards the fishing rod and not just uses the force of the string trying to compress itself back together. That was a bit not how I liked it. I also disabled the gravity because the bobber falling before being flung was getting on my nerves, and that was what fixed it. Uh, you may notice you may notice the animations triggered when I reeled all the way in, and that is because that's because when it reaches a certain point, when the string is like very close to the rod, it will uh, it will it'll turn on the return to start function so that it finishes the job. The reason I did this is because if I didn't do that and instead just kept applying the negative force, it would like rubber band back and forth because it's always trying to go in the opposite direction. Yeah. Yeah, I also fixed all the animations. Now they also float together somewhat. That was probably there beforehand, but yeah. The animations also look a lot better. I made them better. Yeah, that is all I did today because, well, I'm just like mentally exhausted right now. I had a long day at work. Or, well, not too long, but still don't like it. Yeah, so that's all I did today.